Hey guys, and welcome back to another day of green thumb therapy. So for today, I'm gonna be focused on my passion fruit. I grew this passion fruit 1 year ago, and it's already blooming. Last year I got a good harvest already. So this year, it's getting a little overwhelming already. So I'll be maybe cutting down some of this lower branch so that way it doesn't like obstruct the view, and also just to clean it up so that it looks a little nicer. And then I do notice that we got more uh, branch up here, and it's starting to make its way to another spot that I don't want it to be. Because right now, I just want it all to be in this little trellis. So at the moment, I'm just gonna remove all this lower leaf, just so that way it looks a little nicer down here. Maybe some of this branch, maybe some of this I no longer need, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut it off. I got a lot to work with, and I don't think I can mess up. I really don't think I can mess up. So, so just gotta clean it up a little bit here. Some all this little bit older leaf down here. Just gonna just focus on just having just the main uh, vine down here growing up only. Any small shoots that's coming, I don't want it down here no more. So just gonna take it all off. Yep, all this just gotta go. And I'm just looking at anything that is dead, damaged, or disease. I'm gonna removing those as well. Again, I don't think I need any more branches growing down here, so I got a lot to work with. It's always good to have this little trash can handy in case I need to do something. Do I need some? How far is this one going? Oh, maybe, oh, maybe this one just working too hard. Yeah, I don't need it. Cut it off. I'll get it from there later. Cut this one off. Do I need this one? How far this one's going? Wow, this will make its way all the way here. Do I need it? No, I don't need it. I cut this one off too. Just clean it up to make it a bit more presentable. Alright, I think I am done this side, although I do need to fix this up a little bit so that way it can just be over here instead of in the way. My walkway is not that big, so I'm trying to just keep everything within this area only and not let it get out of control, because this is a passion fruit, and passion fruits are really invasive. It's only taken me a year and already got a fence full. Maybe I'll just train some of this over here. I don't need this one down here. I have a lot of branches, so I'm not too worried about all this new. So even though this plant is self-fertile, that means it can fertilize itself, I still have gonna not take a chance and pollinate this flowers. Just to increase the successful rate of it. I am not about to have you reach my roof. Ooh, this one is definitely wanted to be over here for sure. Not today. You are not. Oh yo, I just broke this. It's okay, I might just cut some of this off anyway. All these tentacles are pretty strong. I'm having all this buds right here too, so I don't want to break it. I'll just let it hang down here. Which one is it that I kind of broke a little bit? I think it was this one. Oh well. But look, I still got old passion fruit that's still here. I don't know if it's any good. This is the winter batch. Normally the winter batch is never that good, but I'm gonna open it and see. Oop. Winter batch is pretty bad, so kind of dry. Let me taste it. Ooh. Oh, really sour. Oh, still really sour. Ooh. But it's not as juicy as your spring and summer batch. It's super sour. Ooh. This here is getting a little too much, so I'm gonna cut off some of this old one behind here, so that will make room for this new growth. If I can find it. Seems like I could be wrong, but all the flowers only occur on the new growth and not the old one. Oh, look, ladybugs. I think I am done for trimming this passion fruit for the day. Again, I'm just cutting down a little bit on the bottom here, cleaning it up a little bit, taking out some of the older one out, leaving all this new growth, and all this new growth starting to flower already, and soon they're gonna produce some flower which produce fruit. So seems like all the flowers are only growing the new shoots only, and none on the old one. And then I also just moved this down because it started to make its way from here onto this pole, and soon it's going to take over this side if you don't do something about it. So I just wanted everything to be contained within this little privacy fence. I built this one a year ago, last year, and now I'm getting all this beautiful fruits already. I noticed I also have another flower that is already flower already, which I'm gonna try to pollinate it, just so that way a higher chance of giving me a fruit. And also they're starting to make their way from here onto uh, my patio here as well. So I do have to bring that down, having all just hanging down here